Hello, in this video I am going to brief you about my project, that is VelocityDB for NoSQL database. Here I would like to introduce you to database before going to VelocityDB. We store data in our databases. Data is defined by Oxford Dictionary like this as facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. And such data, when we store them in a database, it increases performance of our system, and the data which we store in our database can be related to each other. So this such kind of data is known as relational data, and this data has to be structured, but unstructured data like graph and graphs, audio and video files can't be stored in relational databases. So we need a NoSQL database, and it is defined as database which provides a mechanism for storage and retrieving of data which is modeled in means other than tabular relations used in relational databases. And here is one more definition from nosqldatabase.org, and here are some of the examples of NoSQL database, and indirectly to VelocityDB. VelocityDB is claimed to be world's fastest and highly scalable database, and that is the motivation for selecting this VelocityDB as my research work in my project. And it uses inverted indexing, which is also used in Google searches for querying the database. Key features to use this VelocityDB are it is highly data persistent, which means that the data which is stored in this database are unmoved, and it is more compactly stored with much faster than other NoSQL databases. It can manage graphical data by using velocity graph, and it requires less CPU usage or disk space. And the benefits of using VelocityDB are it can be used to develop applications which are more flexible, and we can tune them to the finest points, and we can control the data where to be stored in the database, as I mentioned earlier, and also inverting indexing, and highly scalable for smaller and larger applications. When we compare them with when we compare other NoSQL DBs to VelocityDB, it is high in the speed and also in data base size, and low in database size. And system requirements to download the VelocityDB is it requires Visual Studio, and we can download it from VelocityDB.com, either in standalone client version or in the server type version. And there comes to the end, and noticing points from the VelocityDB, or it is perfectly matching for the NoSQL object and graph databases, and features like flexibility, scalability and other things. Thank you.